Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Blue Computing. Today I am going to show you how to reset the password of users from Microsoft Office 365. As an admin, you can do it very easily. First, go to the admin panel from any browser through the admin login using username and password. I already logged into the panel. There, you are watching the welcome panel of admin. Now click on User and Active Users. You can see that your organization's user list is here. I am just hiding some parts. In the previous video, I showed you how to add a user and configure MFA for the user. Please ask for those videos. In the previous video, I added Jason Miller as a user. Now I am going to reset the password of that user. To do that, click on the name Jason Miller and click the key icon. Also, you can click the Reset Password option. A pop-up window has appeared. You can create system-defined password by clicking Automatically Create a Password. But I want that I will create a password for the user and inform him or her about the password. The system automatically asks the user to change this password when the first login. Now check they require the user to change their password when they first sign in box. Then click Reset Password. Close the window. Now I need to check whether the configuration is working or not. I am going to log in as Jason Miller. Go to your web browser and write outlook.office.com. Now give the email address that is miller@fsspbd.com. The system will ask about the password that was assigned some moments ago. I'm giving you that password. You see that the new password panel shows. Here you can put the current password and insert the new password to change the previous one. Our system is configured successfully. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the full video.